In this video, we shall see some interesting relationship in profit percentage. That is, if we have to find the profit percentage, then how do we find it? So profit percentage is nothing but our profit divided by the cost price multiplied by 100. So usually people get confused. Profit percentage has to be calculated on cost price or selling price, because you have a cost price and there is a profit and you sell it for a certain price, which is called selling price. So profit percentage means this profit divided by the cost price multiplied by 100. So if we have a question like what is the profit percentage if cost price is 400 and profit is 80? So if the cost price is 400 and profit is 80, what is the profit percentage? So it is very simple. 80 upon 400 multiplied by 100. So this will be 20. So it is 20% profit, right? Now if we have a question like this, if the profit percentage or if the profit is 20% of selling price, then how much percent is it of the cost price? So here we have cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. So it is given that profit is 20% of the selling price, and we calculate profit percentage on the cost price. So 20% on selling price is not 20% on cost price. So if it is 20% on selling price, how much is it on the cost price? So how do we do this? There are many ways. One is either you can take the selling price as X. So profit is 20% of X, which will be 0.2x, and the cost price has to be 0.8x in that case. So profit upon cost price is 0.2 upon 0.8 multiplied by 100, which is nothing but 1 by 4 multiplied by 100, that is 25%. So we have got one observation here, that is when the profit is 20% of the selling price, then it is 25% of the cost price, right? So this is one observation, that is profit on selling price, when it is 20%, it is 25% on cost price. So let us take some other number. Say suppose our profit is 100 and our cost price is 100 and our profit is 50. So our selling price is 150. So profit is half of cost. So half is nothing but 50%. So profit is 50% on cost price. We can see 50 out of 150 is what percentage? So 50 out of 150 is nothing but 1 by 3, which is 33.33%. So we can say when the cost price is 50% of when the profit is 50% of the cost price, then the profit is 33.33% of the selling price, right? So now let us try converting these percentages into fractions. That is, this 20% is nothing but 1 by 5, 25% is nothing but 1 by 4, 50% is nothing but 1 by 2, 33.33% is nothing but 1 by 3, right? We can take one more example. When the cost price is 100 and profit is 10, so our selling price is 110. So here it is 10% of the cost price. So 10% is nothing but our 1 by 10. So profit is 1 by 10 of the cost price. Now we can see 10 out of 110 is 1 by 11. So when the profit is 1/10 of the cost price, it is 1/11 of the selling price. When the profit is 1/4 of the cost price, it is 1/5 of the selling price. When the profit is half of cost price, it is 1/3 of the selling price. Right? So this is really interesting. That is, if we have our cost price, profit and selling price, and we know that profit is 1 upon A of the cost price, it will be 1 upon A plus 1 of the selling price. So using this, we can, let us try to look at our question again. That is, if profit is 20% of selling price, so 20% is nothing but our 1/5. So profit is 1/5 of the selling price. That means it has to be 1/4 of the cost price. Right? So immediately we can say, okay, this is 1/5 of the selling price, so it has to be 1/4 of the cost price, and 1/4 is nothing but 25%. So it is 25%. Now we can see that this works for all such percentages. So basically, first we will have to understand what is the fraction for every percentage. Like normal percentages that we take, 10% is 1 by 10, 20% is 1 by 5, 25% is 1 by 4, 5% is 1 by 20, and so on. And we can also see here that everything that we are considering here is 1 upon something. 33.33% is 1 upon 3. So if the question is, if the profit is 1/3 of the cost price, then how much is it of the selling price? So if it is 1 by A of the cost price, it will be 1 by A plus 1 of the selling price. So if it is 1 by 3 of the cost price, it will be 1/4 of the selling price. If it is given that the profit is 1/10 of the selling price, then it is how much of the cost price? It is 1/10. So that is 1 by A plus 1, this form. So A plus 1 is 10. So 1 by A has to be 9. So the profit will be 1/9 of the cost price. In fact, this can be seen in Indian taxation system, that is something called as TDS. So tax deducted at source. So the rate of TDS normally is 10%. So if we have an invoice amount which is of 100 rupees, then a TDS is deducted on that by the customer of 10%, and the actual amount paid is 90. So 90. So here if we look at this amount paid, so suppose we have something like 6,300. This is the amount paid, and we have to find what is the total invoice amount. So we know that there is a 10% TDS deduction on that. So 10% here is calculated on the invoice amount. TDS is always calculated on the invoice amount. So 10% on the invoice amount, which is 1 by 10. So if it is 1/10 of the invoice amount, it will be 1/9 of the amount paid. So again we can calculate what is 1 upon 9 of this one, which will be 700. So the TDS is 700 and the invoice amount would be 6,300 plus 700, which is 7,000. So this is a very useful relationship. That is 1 by A of, we can just remember it like this, 1 by A of cost is 1 by A plus 1 upon of sales. So like we said, all these interesting observations, we are looking at numbers which are 1 upon something, fractions which are 1 upon something. What if we have some other percentages? Say our cost price is 100 and our profit is 40% and our selling price. So profit is 40% on the cost, so naturally it is 40, and our cost price is 100, so selling price is 140. So profit percentage, when we say profit percentage, this would be 40 upon 100, which is 40%. So if we consider the fraction of 40 upon 100, it will be 2 by 5. So we can say profit is 2/5 of the cost price. So when profit is 2/5 of the cost price, it is 40%. So when profit is 2/5 of the cost price, how much is the profit on selling price? So the profit on selling price will be 2 upon 7. So when the profit is 2/5 of the cost price, it is 2/7 of the selling price. Let us consider one more example. Say we have 100 plus, say 60%. 100 plus 60 is 160. So 60 upon 100 is nothing but our 3 by 5. So profit is 3/5 of the cost. So how much is it of sales? So this will be 3 by 8. Again we have an interesting observation, that is, when the profit is 3/5 of the cost, it is 3 by 8 of the sales. When it is 2/5 of the cost, it is 2/7 of the sales. So can we say when the profit is A by B of the cost, it will be A by A plus B of the sales, right? So 2 by 5, and this becomes 2 by 2 plus 5. Here we had 3 by 5, is 3 by 3 plus 5. So when the profit is A by B of the cost, it is A by A plus B of sales. This is a very useful relationship, using which we can do calculations faster without assuming anything as X. We can just directly do the calculation. So if we are given the selling price and we are given the profit percentage, directly we can find the